Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel TrekExplorers.com. Are you interested in outdoor adventure but hesitate as you can't plan with family including a small kid? Then you are at the right place. In this video, we have brought you our own first-hand experience of Dankund snow track and camping in Dalhousie, Himachal Pradesh with family. Dalhousie in itself is a beautiful place of Himachal Pradesh that attracts many visitors. The Dankund Peak is one of the most visited places in Dalhousie. It is the highest peak in Dalhousie and is located at an altitude of 2,755 meters above sea level. It provides 360-degree view of the whole valley and mesmerizing view of and tranquil mountain ranges from the top. We have selected a local camping setup at Dalhousie. Through deep research and contacting local people of Dalhousie, we decided to do camping at Himalayan camping site in Dalhousie. The camping site is at 5 to 6 kilometer distance from Dalhousie bus stop. After a long drive, we reached at the mesmerizing view of village in front of our eyes. Without wasting our time, we checked in and kept our belongings at the camping site and left to wander freely into the village area and saw stone steps going uphill towards the village. As usual, we were tempted to explore a bit. After reaching at the top, got spectacular view of village houses covered in the beautiful snow. We found peace up there. How calm and peaceful sight it was. After spending some quality time up there, we started downhill and reached our camping site. Himalayan Camping provided a huge room-sized tent with bedding, washroom and bathroom provided with the convenience of hot water facility. In the offered package, they provided us breakfast and dinner along with bonfire camping and music. They have a separate kitchen where they cook food and dining area for guests. After spending a night of camping with bonfire, next day we have started our venture with our local guide. We head towards Lakkad Mandi of Dalhousie, which is actually the starting point of Dankund trek. Dankund is popularly known as Singing Hills, as the noise of breeze passing through trees creates a musical sound here. There are folklores that witches used to live in these valleys during old days, and local villagers were afraid of them. However, these are just myths. No evidence of those witches has been found till date. At the top, you will find Phulani Devi Temple, which is believed to protect villagers from witches. That is how Dankund got its name. Dankund trek is quite easy trek. It is about 1.5 km steep to the top and the total distance is 5 km from the Lakkad Mandi. It starts from actually Lakkad Mandi. The trail begins near Air Force Base. Up to Air Force Base, one can drive from Dalhousie town. We have started our trek from the Lakkad Mandi. Around 4 km of the trek was on snow-covered road with plain path, but surely slippery one. The whole trek provided us snow-covered hills around us. The sun rays falling on snow made the view more enchanting. After that came a steep trek of around 1.5 km. Those hill inclinations led us to the top of Dankund Peak. The view from top was majestic. It was wonderful to get 360-degree view from the top. It was the top from where we get to see view of another beautiful place, Khajiar, also known as mini Switzerland of India. Top of the Dankund Peak is the best point for photography. But we missed to take our drone shot, as drone shot is strictly prohibited due to Air Force base station there. It was an amazing experience to trek to the snow-covered Dankund Peak. The terrain is not very difficult, so any kid of 5 years of age can climb it easily. The peak gives mesmerizing views of snow-capped mountains. The sun shining through the snow-covered peaks provided spectacular view. We tried our best to capture the most of it as much as we could. We wanted to mention there was no kid found on this trek except ours. So, our guide was quite helpful and guided us well throughout the trek. Our guide, Mr. Vivek Kumar, is a certified trekking guide from Government of Himachal Pradesh. We did trekking to Dankun with our 5 years old kid, and it is absolutely safe trek to cover with family. You just need to pick a good guide for the trek. Check out Dalhousie Trekking and Camping Guide of Mr. Vivek Kumar's Instagram profile and contact number in our description box. After spending memorable moments at the top with snow-filled fun, with snowballs and capturing it at the best, we started our downward trek. During this trek, we have found more people gathered around downside of the trek rather than at the top of the peak. This is because they have stopped here for the refreshment break to get energy to go for the steep trek. Some have even asked us how much distance left for uphill. They probably get exhausted. But our best advice was go for it, it's worth going up.